Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Minisforum Atomman X7 Ti, a brand new mini PC that promises powerful performance and unique features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The Atomman X7 Ti sports a premium aluminum case, giving it a robust and high-quality feel. It's slightly larger than your typical NUC, measuring 145 by 145 by 48.6 millimeters. What stands out immediately is the built-in 4-inch touch display on the top, which can show system information or act as a digital clock. There's also a Windows Hello compatible camera, perfect for video conferencing. Moving to connectivity, it's well equipped with ports. We have dual USB 4.0 Type-C ports, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, an O-Link port for external GPU expansion, and even dual 5GB LAN ports. However, it lacks Thunderbolt support, which might be a downside for some users. Now, let's get into the specs. The Atomman X7 Ti runs on the Intel Core Ultra 9185H processor, featuring 16 cores and 22 threads. It's paired with Intel Arc graphics, which is decent but not aimed at gaming. Memory-wise, it comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a speedy 1TB NVMe SSD. In terms of performance, this mini PC shines. It handles multitasking and heavy workloads with ease, thanks to its powerful processor. We've run benchmarks like Cinebench and PC Mark X, and the results are impressive. However, the NVMe speeds could be better, impacting overall system performance slightly. Let's talk about what sets the Atomman X7 Ti apart. The touch display on top adds a functional touch, providing quick access to system stats. The inclusion of an O-Link port is a standout feature, allowing for external GPU expansion, which is a rarity in mini PCs. Moreover, it's one of the first mini PCs to feature Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, offering faster speeds under the right conditions. The dual 5GB LAN ports are fantastic for network-intensive tasks, making it suitable for home servers or demanding networking setups. So, should you consider buying the Atomman X7 Ti? If you're looking for a premium mini PC with top-tier performance, unique features like the touch display and O-Link port, and excellent build quality, then absolutely. It's ideal for professionals needing a compact yet powerful workstation. That wraps up our review of the Minisforum Atomman X7 Ti. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.